This is an exceptionally crucial time of year for birds. Not only are birds molting into their breeding plumage, but they are literally regrowing their reproductive system and part of their brain. Throughout the winter or non-breeding season, many birds reduce the size of their reproductive systems, thereby conserving energy. Additionally, the Broca area of the brain, which has to do with song, is also reduced. As a result, come early spring, it is important for birds to have access to a quality food source. Moreover, should you be feeding birds, this would be the worst time to shut down your feeding stations.